Welcome everyone. This video is an announcement for the things that are hopefully going to be on my channel. I am starting a new series. It is a classical mechanics series. And this is in fact the first video of this new series. This is day 0 of studying classical mechanics. Now, what is this series going to be about? You kind of guessed it, I think. It's going to be about classical mechanics. We're going to start with the fundamentals, and I in fact have a study plan in front of my eyes, an imaginary plan, let's call it. And every day I will be studying classical mechanics for 1 hour, 2 hours. So let's say, like sort of the scheme, the plan is sort of like this. I will, for 1 or 2 hours approximately, and hopefully every day, for 1 and 2 hours I will study. So 1 and 2 hours of study time. I will be studying, and then I will record a video like this one, and it will be, let's say, day 1, the one that will hopefully be on tomorrow. It is going to be named day 1, and I will talk about what I learned in this 1-2 hour study time. I will basically summarize all the things that I covered in that study time. Okay? That is the plan. That is the scheme. That is the plan for the new series. And what is the source that I am basing my studies on? This is a valid question, I think, to ask. And I am using a book currently. Its name is Intro to Classical Mechanics, but you're probably more interested in the author. The author is David Morin. He is, I think, a professor of physics at Harvard. I mean, he at least was at some point, if he didn't change places. He's a professor of physics at Harvard University, and his book that I'm using is named Intro to Classical Mechanics. Classical Mechanics. And it is a fairly famous book when it comes to classical mechanics. It is on the level of a undergraduate study. Okay, so you could start with it and learn classical mechanics from start to some advanced topics, and it even includes some discussions on general relativity, as far as I read from the preface of the book written by the author. So I am really looking forward to that. That will be, I don't know, in day 100 maybe. Hopefully we make it so that far. So this is it basically. This is just an announcement for the new series. Make sure you're tuned for the first video where I in fact explain some physics. Anyway, this is it for this video. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. And also you can write your suggestions. This is it. I hope to see you in another video. Until then, take care.